Hello students, in this session I am going to solve these problems. Here two bodies of mass 2 kilogram. Here two bodies are having same mass. Velocity 6 meters per second. And you have to calculate amount of heat evolved during the collision. M1 is equals to M2 is equals to 2 kilogram and U1 is equal to 6 meters per second. U2 is equals to 0. Loss in energy is equals to heat produced, that is equals to delta KE half M1 M2 by M1 plus M2 of U1 square minus U2 square. Substituting these values, half M1 is equal to 2, M2 is also equal to 2. 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, 6 whole square. U2 value 0. Here 2 2's cancel, here also cancel. So half into 6 square how much? 36. 2 ones, 2 18s. So delta KE is equal to 18 joules. In this given question, ball height 4.9 meters. We have to calculate coefficient of restitution during the impact with the floor if 1.3 seconds pass from the first impact to the second one. Height attained by the ball after first impact. H1 is equals to E square H. The given time 2t1 is equals to 1.3. T1 is equals to 1.3 by 2, that is equals to 0.65. T1 is equals to square root of 2 E square H by G. Root of 2H by G formula we are using, that is equals to 2 E square into height value 4.9 by G value 9.8, that is equals to 0.65. E of root of 2 into 4.9 by 9.8 is equal to 0.65. Here 2 into 4.9, 9.8. Here 9.8. 9.8, 9.8 cancel. 1. Root 1 is equal to 1. E into 1 is equal to E. E is equals to 0.65. So in this options, which is correct? Second option is correct. In this question, a glass ball A collides with an identical ball at rest with U is equals to 2 meters per second. If the coefficient of restitution of collision is E is equals to 0.5, then we have to calculate velocity of the glass ball A just after collision and velocity of the glass ball B just after the collision. Given M1 is equals to M2 is equals to M. U is equals to 2 meters per second. E is equals to 0.5. velocity of the glass ball A just after the collision is equals to 1 minus E by 2 of U1. That is equals to 1 minus E value 0.5 by 2 of U value 2. 2 gets cancels. 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So, velocity of the glass ball A just after the collision is 0.5 meters per second. Next, velocity of the glass ball B just after the collision V2 is equals to 1 plus E by 2 of U1. That is equals to 1 plus E value 0.5 by 2 into U1 value 2. 2 gets cancels. 1 plus 0.5 how much? 1.5 meters per second. This is velocity of the glass ball B. Here in this case U2 is equals to 0. So what is the solution of this problems? This is solution. B1 is equal to 0.5 meter per second and B2 is equal to 1.5 meters per second. So in these four options, what are the options are correct? First one is correct and second one is also correct. Here two options. Velocity of the ball A just after the collision is 0.5 meter per second and velocity of the glass ball B just after the collision is 1.5 meters per